the quarrel. This is poem. Okay, it is very common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even been able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end it? Quarrels, fighting between brothers and sisters are very common and for very silly reasons. Okay, and no one can predict that what was the reason behind that quarrel or that fight, and if someone comes in between to solve that, okay, वो ही फंस जाता है. भाई बहन के झगड़े को जो सॉल्व करने आता है वो ही फंस जाता है. एंड बिकॉज एट द एंड दे बोथ sort it out and they both became again friends, and the quarrel never last very long. So in this poem the poet is also explaining that how these two children, these brother and sister, they both are quarreling and how they are ending up their quarrels, how long this fight is going to be there and how this fight will end. We will see into this poem. I quarrel with my brother, I don't know what about, one thing lead to another and somehow we fell out. I quarreled with my brother. This poetess, she is saying that I quarreled with my brother. मैंने झगड़ा तो कर लिया मेरे भाई से, but for what reason, that was not at all clear. One thing lead to another. There was just one thing, but from that very small, that very silly thing, other things also came out, like some past incidents, some past fights, they all came out again, and that silly little topic get on stretching and stretching, and things became very serious, or fight became very big. The start it was very slight, the end it was very strong. At the start it was very light and was having very silly reason, but at the end it was getting very serious, and at the end it was very strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. And my brother, and the poetess brother, he was saying that he was right, but she knows inside that he was wrong, and that was the fight. That was the reason behind the fight. We hated one another, and after the fight we hated one another. Both brothers and sisters, they started hating each other. The afternoon turned black, and that afternoon turned black because they were not talking with each other, and they were having some grudges or something inside their heart for each other, or they were having some complaints. Then suddenly my brother trumped me on the back, and then suddenly after afternoon, poetess brother, he trumped him suddenly on the back, and that after that afternoon it was going to be evening, and brother, he came and he patted on the back of his sister and said, "Oh, come along." And his brother said, "Okay, let it be, and come along, come with me. We can't go on all night, and we cannot carry this fight all night. We cannot sit in two different corners without talking with each other, with hating each other. So let's finish it and let's sort it out." I was wrong, I was in the wrong, and his brother accepted that he was wrong, so he was in the right. So now he was correcting things. He is correcting things. He realized his mistake, and now he is saying sorry, and he is coming towards the right side. So this was the poem all about the fight of brothers and sisters. Thank you.